every room that the photographer would go in, he would take a picture of it. Basically, this is where all the, knickknacks and stuff like that go. Then the agent, excuse me, it was Peter actually. I'll say who it was. It just goes to show you like how far we'll actually go for our people. He sat there, took down all the tchotchkes, took down everything, put it all in the Rubbermaid boxes, moved some of them to the side. Photographer went in, took the picture, and then they sat there and put everything back the way it was in that room. And it went room by room by room by room like that, okay? And in the end, once we started doing the visits, the second thing that we did is we brought in our smell machine, right? So we have a machine that has a nice smell, which covers up the smell of the smoke and everything and gets rid of it. So we brought that in, and the house sold. It got offers, and actually, I think even before we had put the smell machine, I think if I'm not mistaken, we might have had a few visits, and we got the people to do a survey, and there was people that actually even said that the house smelled like cigarettes. If I remember, and then we took measures to fix that, and eventually the house ended up selling.